Okay, number 3 for our test review says the table below shows the length of the railway network in each of the 5 countries. You have Brazil, France, Italy, Japan, and South Africa. And then next to each of those, you have the length of their railway. Which list shows these countries in order from shortest to longest railway network? Okay, so I have a lot of numbers. I could circle all of those if I wanted to, but I'm not. I'm just going to know this chart's really important. I'm going to underline this question. Which lists these countries in order from shortest to longest? Okay, shortest to longest is the same thing as least to greatest. You need to write that on your paper somewhere, circle it, put a big old cloud around it, something so that you don't forget you're going from the smallest to the biggest number. Now, what's really nice when they put them in these charts is that they're already lined up really pretty for you. So remember, when you're comparing numbers, you start with the greatest place value, and they're all 2s, so none of those help you. I'm looking for a small number. Okay, so and then I look here, and I look at my, millions place, because this is your millions place. I have 2 numbers here that are kind of small. I have a 0 and a 0, but they're both the same. So I'm going to look at these 2 right here, and then I'm going to go to the next one, only on those 2, and compare right here. I have a 2, and I have a 1, and out of those, the 1 is smaller. So that means South Africa, they're going to come in first place. So I can mark off C, and I can mark off A. It's all about eliminating. That's a great test-taking strategy. So it should be South Africa, and then it will be, sorry, my pen's acting crazy. My second place will have to be Italy, which South Africa, Italy, South Africa, Italy. Okay, so I'm not worried about these anymore. I've already got those lined up. So I like marking them off so I'm not paying attention anymore. Now I can see, look, this one, I'm looking for my smallest. 7 is the next smallest. So Japan comes in 3rd place. So Japan. Okay, so both of those have that. All right, done with Japan. My next smallest would be Brazil, because it has a 5. And that comes in 4th place. Oh, look, that one has Brazil, that one doesn't. So it's not that one. And then France is the biggest of them all. So B. All right, so I used a little bit of what I know just based off least to greatest and putting them in order, but I also used a lot of test-taking strategies where you mark off answers that it can't be. So that's a great way to do it.